Yo, what's up, Dumelan, Botswana, Kolape, how are you guys doing? I know a lot of people around the world love Botswana traditional music. So today I am bringing you a banger of Botswana music. This is the song that, for us, I feel like now we are old, we have kids, and, uh, they're not making them like this anymore. They're not. Music is no longer the same. There's this AI and stuff. Anyway, yeah, this is the music from Botswana that I grew up in, and really enjoy it as much. I think the older I get, the more traditional music I want to listen to. I don't know, maybe because of the memories, or maybe just because I'm now able to settle down and listen to the lyrics and be like, oh my goodness, this guy has been onto something. Anyway, Botswana music. If you are here for the first time, my name is CC and I am from Botswana. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel. We have Captain Dira. This is one of the songs that went viral before social media. I think it was before social media, just like maybe 2 years before social media. Could you imagine that people used to not have Facebook? I mean, there were other things that were kind of like social media-ish, but people didn't have Facebook, so it was kind of anyway. Now I'm starting to sound old. Let's get to it. Hey, I'm gonna try to explain to you guys what the song is all about. So basically he's saying like, it's very painful, and when I speak about what I'm going through, people say, he's just talking crap. That's what he's basically saying. So yeah, he's saying whether it's very painful because people don't take me seriously when I talk about these serious issues. So yeah, it's basically started the song saying like, it's painful when I bring up these issues, and people don't take me seriously. People don't take me seriously. And what's the serious issue, you think? He starts saying, you know what, listen, my man, because there was a snitch in the village. Whatever you do your business, the snitch is gonna snitch. Snitches get stitches. No, not in Botswana. So he's basically saying like, listen, man, Machobane, everybody get to enjoy their years. If you're like an adult, you will understand. So he's saying, when I left last time, you went to to my wife. When I left, when I'm not in my house, you go to my wife and tell her like, you saw me giving somebody something. You saw me giving another lady some cash, being a blesser, making it rain. Huh? Why are you like this, my man? And this guy who's being bullied for snitching, he used to be like one of the biggest TV personalities in Botswana. He was like well known at that time, and I think this video, like him being this, I think it's one of the videos, the last videos he made or something, because after that he gave his life to the Lord, and he's now a pastor or a prophet, and he's all about church now. But he was one of the famous people at that time. So he's saying, I hear that you are somebody else snitch, my man, or you snitch somebody else. Come on. Stop with the snitching. I think the guy who's also doing the ad libs, man, he killed this because it's like all those things that anyway. Nah, this is too yeah. The DVD had a problem, I think, because back then, you know, YouTube wasn't a thing, so people were using DVDs, and I think the person who uploaded this was just copying it from his DVD and uploading on YouTube, which is super illegal, by the way. Do not do it. And here we are. But thank you so much for watching that. If you have enjoyed, if you're from Botswana, I'm pretty sure you have enjoyed that. And yeah, man, thank you so much for tuning in. Did I say thank you? Thank you. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on the channel. See you guys on the other side.